Hi, I'm Ron Thompson with Alfra USA. Today we're going to be talking about a new technology in magnets, what we call our total magnetic lifting system. I'm here with Jim Michael out in Denver at MagLogic's company to really look at the concepts of the new technology and show you some applications. And then we'll follow up with a number of videos for you to show you different ways that you can use the new technology. Go ahead, Jim.
Thank you, Ron. So what I have here is a new sample prototype that demonstrates this new technology. And the new technology, if you look at it, allows you to do things that are unprecedented. For instance, if we show you this magnetic field that's being represented here, as we activate it, you can see that you have multiple poles that are showing up on here. And what this does for you is it allows you to grip material thinner than you've ever been able to in your life, and allows you to actually not penetrate through the different thicknesses of steel, therefore using all of the magnetic field available to this technology. What we also have is, you'll notice it was a relatively small actuation angle. This not only makes it a lot easier to turn on, but because of the shallow angle, we can actually take a huge magnet like the one you see here, the new Alfra TML 500, and activate it very simply with the push of a lever. This new technology is pound for pound by far the strongest in the world. This 20-ounce magnet, as you see it here, is capable of lifting on quarter-inch thick steel almost 600 times its weight, which would be somewhere around 800 pounds of grip on quarter-inch plate steel. An equivalent grip for typical technology would require a magnet that is 3 to 10 times the weight to achieve the same holding force on quarter-inch steel. Obviously on thin steels it also works far better. The other technology improvement that we have is that, as you can tell, we have a very special coating that's on the bottom of some of the new technologies. This coating allows tremendous shear force improvement over the traditional zinc or nickel plate. The other thing that this magnet is that you can't tell is it's made out of hardened steel. The hardened steel gives you tremendous wear resistance, and it is frankly the only magnet in the world today that is switchable on-off, permanent magnet-based or electromagnet that can be made of hardened steel. So, again, no electricity, pound for pound the lightest in the world and the strongest, unprecedented depth of field, unprecedented thin metal performance.